All right, today's warm-up, 2 rounds for quality, starting with 10 dumbbell pump jacks. You can see KP, as she jumps her feet out wide, she drives that dumbbell overhead and then comes back down, dumbbell to her chest and feet together. After that, 10 dumbbell good mornings. Hold that dumbbell to your chest in a goblet hold, or the way KP's holding it there on both sides of the dumbbell. Hinge your hips back, slight bend to the knee, back flat, belly tight. Find a big stretch through your hamstrings each time, feet balanced on the floor. After that, we're gonna go 10 on each side of a side plank reach through. All right, our third day of strength-based programming for this cycle is going to be a hinge-based day. 3 movements are going to be a Turkish get-up with a dumbbell or anything else you've got around, a little complex of a reverse lunge with a dumbbell into a single-legged Romanian deadlift, and then single leg hip thrusts. These are all unilateral, or in the case of the Turkish get-ups, a sort of single-sided movement. So you'll do all on one side, and then you're gonna switch the next round. Like we've been doing, all 3 movements will be performed back-to-back, little to no rest in between, and then you will take 1 minute of rest after you finish each round. We're gonna do 6 total rounds, so you should get 3 rounds on each side. Number-wise, we're gonna start with 3 Turkish get-ups. It will add 1 each week. We are gonna start with 5 of that complex, the single-legged, or the dumbbell lunge into the single-legged Romanian deadlift. That's 10 total movements. 5 is 1 and 1 of each. And then 10, we're gonna start with, of the single-leg hip thrust. After you finish it, take that minute rest, and then you will switch sides.
Hey there, Luminauts. Your workout today is Piza, not to be mistaken with pizza, also not to be mistaken with the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So, you have 4 rounds for time. 30 dumbbell swings, a 30-foot left arm dumbbell overhead carry, 30 sit-ups, and finishing with a 30-foot right arm dumbbell overhead carry. For those dumbbell swings, you wanna have 1 dumbbell, and you wanna pick a load that you can do all 30 swings and no more than 2 sets. For the left and right arm overhead carry, you're gonna pick a load that you can do all 30 feet unbroken with your arm nice and straight, your elbow close to your ear. We're not leaning like the tower, right? Anywho, sit-ups, y'all. You can use an ab mat, or if you don't have an ab mat, you can anchor your feet under your couch or under your dumbbell or pair of dumbbells. That's about it, guys. Short and sweet. Have a good time.